Okay, so welcome back. Okay, before I welcome back. Okay, so welcome back to this video, and let's create the in-betweens in between these frames that we just drew. Okay, so I'm going to expand this uh, playback range to frame 8 because I like to create in between each of these each this drawing. What we're gonna do first though, like if we just start creating in betweens, we're gonna kind of forget, right, which one is in between. We're gonna get confused which one is in between and which one is key drawings, right? So what we're gonna do here is I like to mark all of these as a key drawings. So right click, select, and right click on them, right click on them, and then go to the drawing and then mark drawing as key drawing. Okay, so then all of this will have this red stripe on top. Okay, so once we have them, we go to the second frame, and then shift J. Okay, and then turn on the onion skin. So shift J to create empty frame, right? Create an empty frame. Okay, so here again we select the blue color. Using blue color, I'm going to draw in between this, right, in between drawing between these two keyframes, key drawings. And then here, so you have to keep that in mind, it's moving from this one here in the red color to the green one. Okay, so because red one, if you see the onion skin here, the red one is previous drawings, and the green one here, when it comes to an onion skin, the green one is the frame after this. Okay, so here, so I'm going to draw blue, maybe a little bit more honor this one. Okay, and then the using green one, still moving in, right, to this one. Although it starts moving to this direction, it's still moving in there. Okay, so okay, and then once you've done that, we need in between this one and this one. So let's create empty frame by shifting J, pressing shift and J on your keyboard, and then it's moving in. And then keep that in mind, this part probably moving fast, and then there may be there should be a little bit of slow in. So if you just even if you're just adding one frame for in between, let's honor this. Okay, honor this pose, this drawing, and then this one, something like that. Okay, so and then let's see. Okay, and then again another in between, shift J here on this frame. So from here and here it's moving, right? And so, and then when you draw like a tail, keep that in mind, right? You have to imagine like there's a root for the tail. Okay, that's important. You shouldn't draw like it's gonna, the root is like changing. And so here I'm going to honor this one so that there's a slow out, a little bit of slow out. Okay, and they're using green one, and now it's moving in, and then it's still moving in that direction, right? Okay, so let's see if it works. If it's not work, we can just change. Okay, so here, so we can easily get confused which one is which one. So now I see something is not quite hold up. So this one, it's already not quite right. So let's change the green one. Here it's moving in, right? It's moved in and then it's come out. You see it should have been reversed position, right? So I made a mistake, so I'm going to fix that quickly. Sorry about that, but sometimes, you know, mistake could happen. And then the important thing is not like you never make mistakes, but important thing is being able to spot the mistake, right? And then being able to fix that, right? So if you make a mistake, don't worry about it. You can just keep going, and then right, and then here, so I think it works good now. Here again, we need a one in between, right? Between this keyframe, and then this one. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna select this one, and then Command C or Control C and copy that, and oops, place it in this frame. Okay, so that we can create in between here, right here, looking at it, right? So so here actually I'm going to delete this because it's expanded, right? So I'm going to delete this layer because they are automatically just made the new frame there. So once you've done that, once we have the empty frame, we can draw here using a brush tool again. So it's moving in, so like this part will move fast. So I'm going to honor this frame, and then right, something like that. So again, right, we can if it doesn't work, we can move, we can change. Okay, so like this frame now, we don't need it any longer. It was just we just made it to create in between this the fourth keyframe and the first one. Okay, so if I reduce the fit this play range to these drawings, and then turn on the loop, and then if I play back, it's not, I can't say it's the best, but it's working, right, more or less. And then I see some of the some drawings, the tail got a little shortened, so we need to probably change, make some change on that. Okay, so in the next video we will give a shape to that.